Hey everyone, we're so excited today because we are going to visit Cartier and we have some plans. Let's see what happens there. Yay, so excited. What are you going to buy?
Let's see. Whatever I like.
Secret. Raisa keeps it secret, yeah. So we're going to try everything there because I have so many things in my wish list. I've never really tried them. So today we are going to the store. I just have the LOEWE bracelet. I have a full video of it, and then today we are going to try a lot of different items and see which one we like. Finally we are here in the Bloor Street and the weather is so good. Yay! So this time I booked an appointment. Let's see how it works because before I came here without appointment, it was a nice experience, but today with appointment I'm going to see how is my experience. When the weather in Toronto is so good, everything feels really good and everything looks very different. So we are here, now we are going to go in and let's see the collection. So we are trying different rings. Probably filming is not allowed, like not encouraged. So we are not filming everything, but just waiting for our ring. Just tried just some clue. Loved. Which one? Raisa loved without the diamond one, right? And I
feel like both are very similar,
so probably we'll try some more pieces and then see. I was also trying the Just Some Clue because that's also my wish list, both the ring and the bracelet has diamond and no diamond option. The only thing is that the diamond one is double the price almost, but it's just a little sparkle, nothing too much, but still I think I love the sparkle so much. I also tried the Diamond necklace because I love that sparkle.
Real life is always more efficient, but what do I know? Maybe I'm old.
No.
I tried the small size and loved it.
Yeah, so nice. So they're also cleaning my love ring, which is very nice. I'm excited to see the shine back. So waiting for it. And
And then I got you some white discreet bags because ladies are still...
So we made our purchase, but for safety we have this white bag. And we are going to see the unboxing soon. So just came to LOEWE Café. Let's see how it's here. So it was a really great time at Cartier. Now we are at LOEWE Café. We're really hungry and wanted to check this cafe for a long time. So let's see how it is here. It's inside. It's just inside Hall Toronto in Bloor Street. Definitely not coming back to this cafe. It has been my wish list for a long time. Like, I will come here, but I was just, every time I come here in Bloor Street, I come by myself and I want someone to be with me when I have my tea or coffee. So today I have my sister, so I thought let's just visit this place. And I was not expecting, like, I was expecting something better, something more luxurious, but it's just so simple. The peaches and cream tea is not too bad, but yeah, I love aesthetic cups. It's not there, and it's just very regular one you can find anywhere. So the weather is good today. Here you see the view from the cafe, which is good. You see the street, it's sunny, it looks nice. Yeah. It's actually very quiet. I'm not seeing anyone coming here. Just one person came and left. So yeah, it's nothing too fancy. Also from Cartier, I wanted to get the mini watch, but I think just one day from tomorrow, the price is going to increase, and most probably the Panther watch is going to increase. And they did not have anything in stock here in Bloor, and they were saying that they have like 2 in stock in Vancouver, so they were supposed to order, but they ended up telling me that so to come back tomorrow because they're just not able to place the order today. And I'm just suspicious, maybe because the price is increasing, they're not selling it today and they will sell it just one day after the price increase. So that could be the case, because I don't see any reason that they cannot order, because at the very beginning they said they're just ordering right now, but at the end when my all purchases were done, they said like for the watch, mini watch, they just have to make sure tomorrow they will try to place an order. I don't know why. Anyways, still looking forward to it. They have the mini one, the small one in collection in stock here, but I think the small one, I don't know, for some reason, I think for my wrist size, I just love the mini watch, and yeah, I just want to stick to that. So let's see what happens. Probably coming back tomorrow if they call me. If not, then maybe price increases, and in that case I'll just wait more. I'll just start buying right now. Let's see what happens. Also, I'm going to end this vlog here today because we will go around the street like Bloor, Hall Toronto, different shops. It looks so pretty because it's sunny, so we'll just walk around and go home and do the unboxing in another video. So we will do the Cartier unboxing together, and that will be our another next video. Okay, I'm very excited to do that with you guys, and we'll be doing it together. So if you like this video today, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.